Hi there, it's Maureen Chiana here. You see, goal setting is one aspect a lot of people and individuals and businesses kind of put aside or start it and don't finish. Or start it and things come up along the way and it's discarded. But it's a critical thing to do to actually ensure that you succeed in your area of business, as a leader, as a mentor, as a coach, whatever it is you're doing, you need to be able to set effective goals, plan them, and see them through. But you see, one tip I'll give you is to actually start goal setting, there's one key area that you need to know, and that is, what is your purpose? What's your why? Once you understand your why, you'll be able to create sustainable value across all your stakeholders, your customers, and your organization as a whole. That's exactly why I've created this one-day training course to empower leaders, business owners, mentors to learn the science of setting goals effectively. Business owners and entrepreneurs will also have the ability to demonstrate a deep sense of personal purpose as you carve out your business or social enterprise. It will also give you, as a charity, clarity around your rationale and your delivery mode for enhanced impact. So don't waste any more time. Click the link below and come and learn how to set effective goals. Come and learn how to actually kickstart your life if you don't make the right decisions while you're sitting on your couch. There's no way you will make the right decisions when you're facing challenges, when you're in the middle of a storm. So don't waste any more time. Click the link below, register and attend this workshop. It's going to be a workshop that will completely change your whole aspect to looking at your objectives, your goal setting, and actually give you the skills and tools you need to be successful in whatever area of your life. Whether you're a leader, business owner, whether you're even looking to move out and set up your own business. Don't wait for January 2019 to then start setting New Year's resolutions that you're going to break soon after. So I look forward to seeing you in these workshops. There are a few dates that you can register. There are a few options there. Pick the date that suits you most. Come and have fun while you learn and be skilled and equipped to go out into the world and achieve your dreams and achieve the great success that you truly desire and deserve. See you there.